Derivative is nothing but it is the smart way to divide a number by 0. Let us take an example. Let displacement of the body is equal to t square, where t is the time. So at t equal to 0, x equal to 0, at t equal to 1, x equal to 1, at t equal to 2, x is equal to 4. That is t square, 2 square is equal to 4. Similarly, at t equal to 3, x equal to 9. Take an interval of 1 second, that is t equal to 2 to t equal to 3. The delta x become 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. For this time interval, if we want to calculate average velocity, then average velocity is equal to delta x over delta t. And for this time interval, it is equal to 5 over 1, that is 5. Now take the interval of 0.1. If we take the interval of 0.1, then let us t equal to 2 to t equal to 2.1. For this interval, x equal to 4 and t equal to 2.1, x is equal to 4.41. So delta x is equal to 0.41 and delta t becomes 0.1. If we divide it, we will get average velocity, that is equal to 4.1. If we further reduce the time interval to t equal to 2 to t equal to 2.01, we will get delta x is equal to 0.0401 and time interval is 0.01. So we will get average velocity is equal to 4.01. Similarly, if t is equal to 2 to t equal to 2.001, we will get average velocity is equal to 4.001. We see it mentally that if delta t is 0.1, average velocity become 4.1. If delta t is 0.01, we will get 4.01. If delta t is 0.001, we will get average velocity 4.001. We can say mentally without any calculation that if delta t is 0.0000001, so average velocity is equal to 4.0000001. We are getting average velocity for smaller and smaller interval, but problem is we want to calculate instantaneous velocity, that is velocity at t equal to 2. We have no method to calculate this velocity, but mentally we can say if in delta t there are infinite zeros, then v average have infinite zeros. So if we say delta t is exactly 0, v average is exactly 4. Can we say it? V average, therefore V average at delta t exactly 0, V average become V instantaneous, and that is equal to 4 exactly. So we can say by using approximation method, we get instantaneous velocity, exact instantaneous velocity, that is V average when delta t approaches to 0 become V instantaneous, and this is exact. There is no approximation. That is the magic of calculus. That is, we divide a number by 0 and we are getting an exact number. Thank you.